No. He wants to play.
Yeah, I know.
And you got to watch him just playing because he's just so big. He's so big.
Yeah. Not on me.
Shh, 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 shh. Yeah.
He needs combed. He's been wallowing out in the weeds.
Yes. Lay down, lay down. He likes to play, but he's just so rough. Hey, hey, hey. Okay. Come on, let him out.
Okay. No.
Lay down,
No.
lay down.
What do you think he would do with Noah?
He's just too big. He doesn't want, he just wants to play. He's just so big. He's so big. He's so hyper. Yeah, he can settle down a little bit. He's good. He just wants to play. He's still only, what, 10 months old?
Yeah, about almost 9. No, almost 11.
Almost 11 months old. Okay, so he's... Hey, whoa. Try to hyper down. Try to hyper. Yeah. Whoa.
Got a big old horse.
Yeah, he's strong.
We'll let him. We ought to let Blackie out. Whoa.
You're gonna have to put your. I think you need to watch it because he's just hyper.
Yeah.
I need to get Blackie caught and try to get him out with him.
Yeah.